I have onion, some carrot, broccoli, and chicken. I heated up the noodles for about 45 seconds and I'm just breaking them up. And I'm just adding everything to this bowl so I can heat it up after the noodles are cooked. I'm gonna add some sesame oil. If you've never tried this sauce, you're missing out. It is delicious. And I'm just getting oil on all the noodles. I like my noodles a little on the crispier side, but not too crispy. These look perfect, so I'm gonna throw in all of our veggies and chicken and some sauce. Stir it up. Now I'm gonna combine the noodles. I'm gonna let that get a little crisp. I have some green onion from my beautiful garden. What a beauty. Now let's plate it up. I'm gonna add a little more sesame oil. That was probably too much. Let's give it a try. It's delicious.